Slides right underneath the handle. We'll put the grate back on. Super simple. What I like about this is specifically made for the heater. You don't have to buy a shelf to put one of those fans that are made for a fireplace. And super simple. Storage, I think, is going to be no-brainer. You don't have to take it off unless you want to. Just set up and ready to go. So let's get some heat going and see how this fan's going to work. All right, guys, let's see if we can get this bad boy going. We'll get it going and let's see how long it takes for that fan to kick on the low setting. Sounds like it just kicked in. Sounds like a bunch of birds chirping. So that was about 2 minutes and 25 seconds approximately. And that's on the low setting. It is winding up. Let's see if we can feel any. Oh yeah. It's blowing right, really nice. I don't want to keep my hand there too long because it is really hot.